seriously dahil direct threat yan to the Senate. So sabi ko nga, out of abundance of caution, we need to adjust our security protocols accordingly, no? Dahil priority ko mga empleyado priority ko yung mga nagtatrabaho sa loob ng building, at of course the Senate as an institution. Importante yan. But tuloy-tuloy yung amin validation, tuloy-tuloy yung coordination with other agencies. Nagko-cross-validate rin ang Sergeant at Arms natin today actually, and tomorrow. Yan ang kanyang ginagawa. No? And I'm also going to reach out with Nika para makuha natin yung ganitong mga information. In context kasi ngayon, if may maraming lumalabas na magkakaroon ng paglusob sa Malacanang on June 12, or may mga malalaking rally sa June 12. So we have to be very cautious because of all of this news and intelligence coming out. No? So we have to be very cautious.
And sir, by next week, can we expect na lifted na yung work from home?
We'll do it. We're monitoring the situation very carefully, and we'll keep you posted.